Welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. So today we're going to be exploring Little Mix's performance of Secret Love Song to Bell. Amazing. Let's jump straight in. I'm super excited about listening to this one.
We keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I dilate.
This is nice.
Stolen moments that we steal.
She's really setting the emotional tone to the song.
It'll never be enough. As you drive me to my house, I can't stop deciding.
Her control over her dynamics is really impressive.
You and I both have to hide on the outside, where I can't be yours and you can't be mine. But I know this, we've got a love that is homeless.
Just beautiful in her delivery.
Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor?
I love the way she's fluidly transitioning between those softer, more delicate tones to those more controlled and balanced ones.
Why can't I say that I'm
She's really utilizing her head voice and her falsetto for that lighter, ethereal sound. Jade's voice just has this real sweetness to it that I really like. It's stunning.
It's obvious you're meant for me. Every piece of you it just fits perfectly. Every second.
Leanne's voice has this warmth, richness to it. It's very soulful.
But I never show it on our face. But we know.
I love the way she's using slight variations in tone and vibrato to convey the emotion of the song here. Very nice.
Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor?
She has exceptional control. Nice. I'm loving her dynamic use of control and tone in this chorus. And those little squeaks that she keeps doing with her voice. Nice. Loving these growls. Beautiful in the way that she goes into falsetto there.
When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor. I wish that it could be.
I love Jade's voice.
Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours, I'm yours.
Loving that intentional break and the cry in her voice.
Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor?
Nice.
I wish that it could
Loving the growls again.
Why can't it be?
Love the way she's going from belt to falsetto to belt. Amazing. This is amazing. Belt into mix and perfectly timed in the way she breaks from the note. Nice. It's really well delivered. I think this is the best that I've heard Little Mix singing live. Phenomenal. That's phenomenal. What a beautiful performance, honestly. Wow. So now that we've explored their song, Secret Love Song, let's just briefly touch on what each member uniquely brings to Little Mix. So first up, you have Jade. I absolutely love her voice, and she has this amazing ability to hit complex notes smoothly, really adding that sparkle to Little Mix's sound with her clear voice. And then you have Leanne, who really brings that warmth to the group, you know, with her rich voice. She's all about that depth and easily moving from powerful moments to those softer moments, so beautiful. And then you have Perry, and she is just the powerhouse of the group. Her voice is so strong, and she hits those really powerful notes and really brings the emotion of the songs out. And when you really just put them all together, you really get that unique sound of Little Mix. Each of them just brings something really special to the table, making their music really stand out. Okay, so that's it from me. Comment below and let me know what you think of the performance. Let's talk about it. Is there one voice that you prefer over the other? They're all amazing, but whose voice do you like the best? Jade, Perry, or Leanne's? Let's talk. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for more tips, reaction videos, and also vocal technique training. And if you'd like me to critique your singing, then check out my new Wizio account, wizio.com/voice savvy. You'll see the link on the screen, and I'll put the link below. But you can submit your videos of you performing, and I will respond with feedback and also personalized vocal exercises to help you take your vocals to the next level and really improve your voice. And yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Until next time, I will see you soon. Mwah. Peace.